Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to send a private message on X. Before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that you can only DM people who follow you on X or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so open X application on your phone and tap your this letter icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. That's your messages section, and you have to tap new message button or this button in the bottom right corner of your screen that looks like plus icon, and now search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. And from the list that appears, you have to select specific person, which will redirect you to chat with this person. So finally type your message, and when you're ready to send it, just hit send button. That's this paper plane icon right here. And now you can see that my message is in the status that says sent. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.